In this talk, I will cover review of writing of reasons for refusal, especially about the inventive step. My talk will cover two topics. First, I will talk about the principle of writing of reasons for refusal. Second, I will review the structure of reasons for refusal on inventive step. This structure is based on the JPO's practice. So let me begin with the first topic, the principle of writing of reasons for refusal. In general, applicants or patent attorneys who are trying to obtain a patent receive your office action, or in this case, reasons for refusal, and need to think about what to do next. In this context, reasons for refusal is a means of communication between the examiner and the applicant or the patent attorney. So your reasons for refusal, therefore, must be clear so that the applicant or the patent attorney can understand the reasons. In addition, in view of globalization in the realm of patent, it is conceivable that your office actions are taken into account and utilized in other patent offices around the world. Your reasons for refusal needs to be easy to understand from this point as well. Clear writing of reasons for refusal also ensure objectivity of your examination, which leads to high quality of your service. This slide shows, so to speak, minimum requirement of reasons for refusal. As for the assessment of an inventive step, you need to state, at the very least, what is disclosed in the prior art document. What is the difference between the claimed invention and the invention disclosed in the prior art document? And how a person skilled in the art can easily arrive at the claimed invention based on the prior art. Now, let me move on to the second part, the structure of reasons for refusal. This slide shows the standard structure of reasons for refusal in the JPO. The reasons start with its conclusion, stating that the claimed invention does not involve an inventive step. In the second part, you state what is disclosed in the closest prior art, or D1. In this part, it is common that the invention in D1 is expressed or written using terms or phrases which are actually used in D1, not in the claim concerned. If the invention disclosed in D1 were expressed with the terms or phrases used in the claim instead, it means that you had already compared the claim and the invention in D1, which should be done in the next part. So the next part is the comparison and assessment. In this part, you compare the claim with the invention in D1. You need to do this, stating that what feature in D1 corresponds to or identical to the claim element. Also in this part, you make clear the difference between the claim and the invention in D1. If there are two or more differences between the claim and the invention in D1, you need to state the differences thoroughly. If you use another document to deny an inventive step of the claim, the next part is about suggestion from D2. Here, you state what is disclosed in the secondary prior art, or D2. And the next is about combination of D1 and D2. In this part, the examiner explains why the person skilled in the art can easily combine D1 and D2. In this example in the slide, it is stated that inventions in D1 and D2 are in the same technical field. In addition, similarity of problems to be solved between D1 and D2 is stated as well. These 2 points are, in this case, factors for combining D1 and D2, or factors of non-existence of an inventive step. In the JPO practice, the examiner assesses various factors in 2 sides, existence or non-existence of an inventive step. So, in the next part, it is confirmed that there is no factor of existence of an inventive step. No advantageous effect can be seen in the claim. The reason for refusal ends with the conclusion and list of citations. Finally, let me review what I covered. First, I talked about the principle of drafting of reasons for refusal. Second, I explained the structure of reasons for refusal. In conclusion, I'd like to say again that writing of reasons for refusal is very important in view of smooth communication between the examiner and the applicant, or the patent attorney, as well as utilization of your office actions by other patent offices. Clear writing also ensures your objectivity, which leads to high quality of your service.